Hello children, welcome to the social studies class. Let's continue with the same chapter, our industries. Children, in the last video we have already discussed about what are industries and about the different kinds of industries. So today we will discuss about the main industries of India. Cotton textile industry is the largest in the country. Textile is a fabric that is knitted or woven and made from yarn. Thus, the textile industry is the industry responsible for taking a raw material like cotton or wool and spinning it into yarn that is later used to create a fabric. Cotton textile mills are spread all over the country like Mumbai, Solapur, Nagpur, Ahmedabad, Surat, Lucknow, Chennai, and jute textiles are produced in the states of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Assam. Sugar industry is the second largest agro-based industry after cotton industry in India. Sugar, Khandsari, and Jaggery are the products from sugarcane. India stands first in the world in the production of sugarcane. More than 50% of country's sugar is produced in Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. The first sugar plant was set up at Saran in Bihar in 1904. Manufacturing of motor vehicles is done in the automobile industry. In India, automobile producing centers are Mumbai, Kolkata, Gurgaon, Chennai, Jamshedpur, and Jabalpur. Automobiles are designed to run primarily on roads to have seating for 1 to 6 people, typically have 4 wheels, and be constructed principally for the transport of people rather than goods. The iron and steel industry is the fundamental manufacturing industry. Most of the industries like automobiles, shipbuilding, machine tools, engineering, etc. are directly linked with iron and steel industry. The main raw materials used in iron and steel industry are iron ore, manganese, limestone, etc. Major iron and steel plants are located at Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, and Raulkela. Newsprint is the paper required for the newspapers. The newsprint plant in Madhya Pradesh was the first such plant to be set up. West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra are the leading states in paper industry. Ships are built at the shipyards of Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, and Marmagao. The other important industries in India are cement, fertilizers, glass, paper, machine tools, heavy machinery, chemicals, and garments. India is fast becoming an industrialized country. The growth of industries is very important for the overall progress of our country. The other important industries like the Hindustan Machine Tools HMT produces a wide variety of machines and tools maintaining high standards. Its units are located at Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Srinagar. Then Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited BHEL produces heavy electrical goods. Its units are located at Bhopal, Hyderabad, and Haridwar. Children, look at this map showing the main industries of India. These industries provide employment to millions of people in our country.